Side effects of the familiar sounds in this sketch may result in quickened pulses, hyperventilating, and momentary panic.
Hello. I'd like to buy an alarm clock, please.
Certainly. We have many various and inventive sounds and devices to animate your morning hours. Let's begin with the classics.
Yeah, I was hoping for something a bit more exciting.
Well, we also have the latest selection of phone alarms.
Well, I'm more of an Android person myself.
How about this one then?
Yeah, well, it's all a bit samey though.
We do have several versions.
Oh, very cool. But I had in mind something, less relaxing.
How about this rousing tune?
Oh, I like the vocals, but do you have anything less political?
Good morning, Vietnam!
Still a little political. Also, I don't know about the level of screaming. No, I meant I wanted less screaming.
Oh, sorry. Well, maybe you should review some of our more physical alarms.
Aw, it is nice to have a solid clock in the digital age. Ow! Your clock just hit me!
Nothing better to get you up and at 'em in the morning, although on some of the higher settings it does have the opposite effect. Here's one that does less cosmetic damage.
What is this? Oh, I'm soaked through.
A bit of cold water never hurt anyone. The only problem is changing the bed sheets. But what's a bed sheet to a guaranteed wake-up call?
I don't want to have a bucket of freezing water splashed in my face every morning. Clear? Oh, Jesus. Do you have anything else? Why would I want a clock in the shape of a tortured badger?
Well, how does it make you feel?
Oh, it's disgusting. Oh, twisted and scarred like my mother. So I'm horrified? Or scared, I guess.
Perhaps you could even say you were alarmed, maybe?
Oh, I'll take it.